Hi students, welcome to the 8th grade physical science class. In first session, we have covered few SI based units from measurement lesson. Now we are going to discuss other SI based units. Before we start the lesson, an interesting 1-minute reading for you all. Time measurement devices. It is said that humans have measured time in different ways in different ages. Initially, it was measured by contemplating the nature around us. The first instrument to measure time could have been a stick or a mountain. The shortening of shadow would lead to noon, while the lengthening of shadows would depict the light approaching. There are different types of time measurement, such as sundials, candle clock, sand hourglass, water clock, pendulum clock, quartz clock, analog clock, electric clock, and atomic clocks. Students, can you able to identify this image? Yes. First part of this lesson, we have discussed SI units, base quantities, that is length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity, and temperature and electric current, amount of substance. Let's see other base units. Luminous intensity. The measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. The SI unit of luminous intensity is candela and is denoted as CD. Photometer. Photometer is used to measure luminous intensity. Plane angle. It is the angle between the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes. The SI unit of plane angle is radian and is denoted as RAD. Radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So that is 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. Solid angle. It is the angle formed by 3 or more planes intersecting at a common point. It can also be defined as angle formed at the vertex of the cone. The SI unit of solid angle is steradian and is denoted as SR. Steradian is the solid angle at the center of the sphere subtended by the portion whose surface area is equal to the square of its radius of the sphere. Differences between plane and solid angle. Plane angle. Angle between the intersection of two lines or planes. Two-dimensional figure like square, triangle, circle, etc. Unit is radian. It is related to length of arc of circle. Plane angle of full circle is 2 pi whose length is r units. Solid angle. Angle between the intersection of 3 or more planes at a common point. Three-dimensional figure like cube, cuboid, sphere, etc. Unit is steradian. It is related to area of sphere. Solid angle of full sphere is 4 pi whose area is r into r square units. Numerical problem. I am going to calculate two problems based on plane and solid angle. First problem. Convert 60 degree into radian. Already we know that 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. So that is 60 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 60. So the answer is pi by 3 radian. Second problem. Convert pi by 4 into degrees. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So pi by 4 radian is equal to 180 by 4. The answer is 45 degree. Solve the problem based on the given examples. Clocks. Clocks are used to measure time intervals So many clocks were used from the ancient time. Scientists modified the clock's mechanism to obtain accuracy. Types of clocks. Types of clock are classified into based on display, based on working mechanism. Based on display, further classified into analog clocks and digital clocks. Based on working mechanism is classified as quartz clock and atomic clock. Types of clock based on display. Analog clock and digital clock. Let's see the difference between them. Analog clock. It has 3 hands to show the time. Hours hand, it is short and thick. Minutes hand, it is long and thin. Seconds hand, it is long and very thin. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electronically. Digital clocks. It shows the time in numerals or other symbols. It may have a 12 hours or 24 hours display. Digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. Types of clocks based on working mechanism. Difference between quartz and atomic clocks. Quartz clocks. These clocks are activated by electronic oscillation which are controlled by a quartz crystal. The quartz clock is more accurate than the mechanical clock. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. Atomic clocks. These clocks are making use of periodic vibrations occurring within the atom. Atomic clocks are used in Global Positioning System, that is GPS, Global Navigation Satellite System, that is GLONASS, and International Time Distribution Services. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. Different time zones. Time zone. The earth is divided into 24 zones, each of the width of 15-degree longitude. These regions are called as time zones. Time difference between two adjacent time zones is 1 hour. Greenwich Mean Time. GMT is the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory located at Greenwich in London. It is measured at the longitude of 0 degree. Indian Standard Time. The location of Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the reference longitude of the Indian Standard Time. It is located at 82.5 degree longitude. IST is equal to GMT plus 530 hours. Accuracy in measurements. The value of every measurement contains some uncertainty. These uncertainties are called as errors. Error is the difference between the real value and the observed value. Accuracy. Accuracy is the closeness of measured value to the actual value or true value. Precision is the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. Activity. Observe the rasam making process in your home. Ask your mother and try to answer the following questions. Students, we are not following any standard values for preparing a dish. We are following an approximation method for choosing ingredient. What is approximation? Approximation is the process of finding a number which is acceptably close to the exact value of the measurement of a physical quantity. Rounding off. Calculators are widely used in day-to-day life to do the calculations. The result given by a calculator has too many digits. Hence, the result containing more digits should be rounded off. The technique of rounding off is used in many areas of physics. Let's see the rules for rounding off. Decide which is the last digit to keep. Leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. Increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or greater than 5. I am going to solve based on that. Rounded off the number 1.864 to 2 decimal places. Step 1. Identify the last digit to be kept. 6 is the last digit to be kept. Step 2. The following digit, that is 4, is less than 5, so retain it as 6. The answer is 1.86. Solve the problem based on the given examples. Summary of this lesson. So today we have discussed luminous intensity, plane angle, solid angle, types of clocks, accuracy, precision, approximation. Students, an interesting hands-on skill for you all. So try it in your home. Analog clock with cardboard and sundial clock. Thank you, students.